Guys, my name is Daisy Ronde from VaaKeNYA. The startup is looking to raise 100 million so they can make the dream for Made in Kenya possible. And we are literally 8 years away from Vision 2030. Why doesn't Made in Kenya work? Like, are Kenyans not ready to purchase Made in Kenya? And the answer is the opposite. Kenyans are very ready to purchase Made in Kenya. Kenyans are ready for this. The government has made it possible for, we now have EPZ, we have Kenya Export Promotional Council, we have many farms like this. The government has been doing its work, but still, our imports are very high. We are, like, just last year alone, we used 60% of our GDP to import. That is insane. We only get 40% of that. And considering the amount of debt we have as a country, someone has to take a stand. And you realize the person who's been taking a stand for years is what? Who would have thought private sector would be to blame for Made in Kenya not working? But for us as a brand, as VaaKeNYA, we are a startup ready to absolutely change that. We are about to disrupt an industry that has never been touched for generations. Manufacturing. And you want to change something? Reach us out. Because for this to be possible, we're gonna need extraordinary talent. For this to be possible, we are gonna need extraordinary visionaries as partners. And for this to be possible, we are gonna need extraordinary individuals as our investors. And for this to be possible, we are gonna need you as a Kenyan to be part of the journey. We wanna build a brand you're proud of. We wanna build a brand, and we can't do that alone. We can't. We want to be liable for what products leave locally. For the first time in history, Kenyans, you can decide where this Made in Kenya shenanigan goes. And all you have to do is take a stand with us. Join us. Let us build this Kenya. And the question was going around how to fix Made in Kenya. Then the president stood and told us, wait a minute guys, if I say no mitumba today, if I say no imports today, who is gonna fix the 60% deficit in consumer goods alone? COVID proved what the president told us a few years ago, right? What did it prove? We almost started walking around naked because there was no mitumba. We couldn't buy mitumba anymore. How many of us could buy new clothes that year? Even producers were overworking. Even masks alone were almost impossible to produce. The government was begging people, please manufacture. You see the kind of deficit you have here? It is about time we start taking responsibility of our country. We are no longer the leaders of tomorrow. We are the ones we have been waiting for. Take a stand with us. Follow Njeri. Follow VaaKeNYA. Let us deliver the dream today. Not tomorrow. Not another day. Today. We're gonna back us if you're gonna join us as talent, if you're gonna join us as an advisor, if you're gonna join the winning team, for whatever level you wanna join us, start the conversation with us at info@vaakenya.com or call conversation with us. Let us get this started. Let us take back our country. Na mkumbuke this year form ni gani? Form ni Made in Kenya. Ni possible.